Create, edit, or delete categories and positions within your company. You can define the hourly rate of your employees based on their position. Customize your company's areas and positions. These functions are exclusive to C-level roles. The time has come to configure your company's areas and positions based on the industry to which it belongs. To do so, go to Users, Rate Card. Here you will find the list of categories. If you press the drop-down arrow, you will be able to view the different positions predefined by COR for your type of category or industry. Create new categories and positions. You can customize your own categories with the New Category button. Complete with the name of the area and click on Confirm. You can also add positions within this new category created, or in those preset by COR. Place your mouse on the New Position button and fill in the name, seniority, and price per hour fields. Click Confirm to save the uploaded data. Edit or delete custom categories and positions. You will see that the categories and positions suggested by COR remain in black, while those that you customize will be in blue. The latter may be edited or deleted. The categories and positions predetermined by COR cannot be eliminated or modified except for the hourly cost. This can be modified as many times as necessary by clicking on Edit. Modify the value and save the changes by clicking Confirm.